Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an origami X-Wing. Now, this is a Star Wars origami tutorial, so this will be going in my Star Wars playlist. And yes, this is designed by another origami YouTuber. I'll put them in the description, but if you want to learn how to make it, here goes. So, for the piece of paper, you'll need a big square sheet of paper. Yes, big. Well, if it's not big, it'll end up looking something like this. And not very good. So, if you want to make it, make a bird base, and this is how. Fold it in half this way, and fold it in half this way. And you can always pause or slow down the video. Fold it in half diagonally here, and right here. Okay, then once you have that, you are gonna make a square base, but that square base you're gonna turn into a bird base. So if you didn't see what I did, I fold it here, and when you have this, there should be a little pocket that you can open and squash it down. And then you're gonna open it and measure right here. Take this line and bring it up to right here. Do the same right here. And the same right here, like the middle crease. Okay, now you're gonna reverse fold this. Like this, you open it, then you push it in. And then you're gonna do the same right here. Okay? So, now that you have that, you will take this and pinch right here, and just above that pinch, you are gonna fold down like that. So, pinch right here in the middle, and fold it down a little bit above. Now, you're gonna sink it. To do that, you're gonna open this, and fold this down. Okay, now that you've synced it, you are gonna fold these two up, and then fold this down, and then fold it back up. Okay, and then you are gonna fold this to the middle, and fold this down. And once you folded this to the middle, you are gonna do the same right here. Okay, and then you're gonna fold this down here. And right here, you're gonna fold this up, where you folded this one up here. And then you're gonna fold them to the middle like we just did. And now this is Origami. You're gonna need either scissors or you just can tear it. You can also call this paper craft. So now that you have this, you're gonna fold this down and then fold it back up. Just a little bit to leave this hanging out, and with this edge you're gonna fold this point back in. Okay, And then, once you have that, you are almost done. So right here is gonna be the cockpit, where this is, and where this was, I just showed you, is where the top is gonna be. Oh, it's running away from me. And so you can fold this down and kind of reverse fold it, like fold it on the crease. Okay, now that you have that, you are going to open up whatever one of these flaps you want. You're gonna do the same thing though, so what you're gonna do is take this and fold it down, don't crease sharply, and now you're gonna tear it a little bit, and you're gonna open, and then you're gonna finish that there. This would be easier if you use scissors, but I didn't come prepared and didn't use scissors. So there's that. And now to make the wing, you're gonna take this down and fold that down on the edge and fold this to the side. Now what you're gonna do is, so here's gonna be the wing. You are gonna fold this up here and like leave some space, and then you are gonna fold this up and fold this down. Now do the same on all of the other sides. All right, so now that you have this, you are pretty much done, but we gotta make these boosters. To make that, you're gonna fold this up a little bit here, and then you are gonna roll it up. And now, if you didn't see it the first time, you're gonna fold it up just a little bit and roll it up. All right, now what you're gonna do is do the same right here. All right, there you're basically done. And now if you want to make an X-wing, you can expand it like that. Have it fly around the galaxy, defending the space. Don't forget to like and subscribe.